Hello students of class 11, how are you? I hope that all of you are well. I am also fine. Now I'll take higher mathematics first paper on chapter 3, the straight line, lesson 3G. I have already completed lesson A up to F in my class. So I expect that who have finished this lesson properly, they can easily understand this lesson. Follow the board, everyone. We have to find the distance between a point and a straight line. Distance means always perpendicular distance. So let P of x1, y1 be any point and ax plus by plus c equal to 0 be any straight line. We have to find the distance from this point to the straight line this. And this equation can be written ax plus by is equal to minus c. This equal to, we can write ax by minus c plus by minus c is equal to 1. Divide on both sides by minus c. This equal to, we can write x divided by minus c by a plus y divided by minus c by b. This equal to 1. Which intersect x axis at a minus 0 and y axis at b 0 minus c by b. Now we have to draw a figure. This is x-axis. This is y-axis. This is origin. Point P take here. x1, y1, and point A minus C is 0. Point B 0 minus c by b. Now join these two points and it will be the given straight line, that is ax plus by plus c. Now we have to find the perpendicular distance. So we have to draw here perpendicular denoted by d. Now join bp and pb. Therefore ABP here triangle. As this is height, therefore AB will be base. And we know area of triangle ABP is equal to half into base. Base means AB into height D. This equal to, we can write A half into AB mean the distance between the point A, B. This equal to, we can write minus CA, then 0 whole square plus 0 plus C by B whole square into D. This equal to, we can write half into C square by A square plus C square by B square. This equal to, we can write C square into 1 by A square 1 by B square. That means C square is common. Now this equal to, we can write half into E square root over C square by A square B square, here will be A square plus B square into D. This equal to, we can write half into C by AB whole square into A square plus B square. There is the root into D. As x square, this equal to absolute value of x whole square. This equal to half into C by AB square root over A square plus B square into D. Again, we know if the coordinates of vertex of a triangle are given, we can write area of triangle ABE. This is equal to half into absolute value of minus C by 0, 0 minus C by B, x1, y1 minus C A 0. I have to close this because area always positive, so we have to use here absolute value. This equal to, we can write half into this into this, this into this, this into this. That means C square by AB plus 0 plus 0 minus, you have to take this into this, this into this, this into this, and the 0 minus, here is minus C x1 by B minus C y1 by A. Absolute value closed. This equal to half into absolute value of C square by AB plus C x1 by B plus C y1 by A. This equal to half into C square by AB plus, here also LCM will be C x1 plus C B y1. Absolute value. This equal to half into C by AB common. Here will be only C, here will be x1, here will be by. And half into, right, in arranging well, so that value of x1 plus by1 plus C, ready? In both cases, the area will be same because triangle same. That's mean ABP same triangle. So according to question, we can write according to the question we can write half into absolute value of C by AB is square root over A square plus B square into D. That's mean previous area. This equal to current area, present area is equal to half into absolute value of C by AB, absolute value of AX1 plus BY1 plus C. Both sides of this and this cut. And therefore, D is equal to absolute value of AX1 plus BY1 plus C divided by this part. That's mean square root over A square plus B square. This is a distance formula between a point and a straight line. Okay. Now, if the origin is given, so from origin to the straight line, what will be the perpendicular distance? That's when this distance will be absolute value of A into 0 plus B into 0 plus C divided by square root over A square plus A square, the coefficient of this. That's when you have to put here 0, here also 0. And this equal to, you can write absolute value of C divided by square root over A square plus B square. And this is another distance formula from origin to the given straight line. Okay, now follow the examples. Question for the students. What is the distance between 1 and 2x plus 3y plus 1 equal to 0? Can you say, any one of you? I expect that everybody will say, because we know the formula how to find the distance between a point and a straight line. Therefore, distance, this equal to absolute value of 2 into 1 plus 3 into 1 plus 1 divided by square root over 2 square plus 3 square. And this equal to, you can write 2 plus 3 plus 1 absolute value. This equal to square root over 13. 4 plus 9. This equal to absolute value of 6 by square root over 13. As the distance always positive, the absolute value of 6 means 6 by square root over 13. Equal answer. Similarly, we can solve related to this formula. Now I solve another problem. The problem if the point A, B is equidistant from the straight line three x minus 4y plus 1 is equal to 0 and 4x plus 3y plus 1 is equal to 0, show that a plus 7b equal to 0, or 7a minus b plus 2b is equal to 0. How can solve? Solution. The perpendicular distance from AB to the line 3x minus 4 plus 1 is equal to 0 is absolute value of 3a minus 4b plus 1 divided by square root over 3 square plus minus 4 whole square. And this is equal to, we can write 3a minus 4b plus 1 divided by 3 square means 9, 4 square means 16, and 9 plus 16 is equal to 25, and here will be square root over 25 means 5. Clear? So again the perpendicular distance from AB to the line, just I connect 4x plus 3y plus 1 is equal to 0. This equal to here will be 4a plus 3b plus 1 divided by square root over 4 square, here will be 3 square, and this equal to here also 4a plus 3b plus 1 divided by 5. As the point AB are equidistant from this and this, so according to question we can write, according to the question we can write absolute value of 3a minus 4b plus 1 divided by 5. This equal to absolute value of 4a plus 3b plus 1 divided by 5. In both sides we can cut this and this, or 3a minus 4b plus 1, 4a plus 3b plus 1. For omitting absolute value, we can square on both sides, and finally we will get 3a minus 4b plus 1 is equal to plus minus 4a plus 3b plus 1. Now taking plus sign, taking plus sign, we get 3a minus 4b plus 1, this equal to 4a plus 3b plus 1, or 1 cut, that's mean 3a minus 4a minus 4b minus 3b, this equal to 0, or minus a minus 7b is equal to 0, therefore a plus 7b is equal to 0. First part proof is complete. Clear everyone? Again taking minus sign, we get here will be minus, here will be minus, or 3a minus 4b plus 1 plus 4a plus 3b plus 1, this equal to 0. This converted to left side. Here minus, that will be plus. Or this equal to 7a minus b plus 2. Second part also true. Yes. Sure. Yes is so. Okay. I think that related this formula you can solve other one math. Okay. Now I will find the distance between two parallel lines. Distance between two parallel lines. Relate ax plus by plus c1 this equal to 0 and ax plus by plus c2 this equal to 0. Follow these two equations. The slope of this first equation is equal to minus a by b. Also this equation minus a by b. As slope are same, so these two lines will be parallel. Another way identify when two lines will be parallel. This part will be same, but differ only constant term. Here c1, here c2. Others part same. Then we can say these two lines are parallel. Okay, but we have to find the distance between this line and this line. That's mean this line name is ax plus by plus c1 this equal to 0, and this line name ax plus by plus c2 this equal to 0. That's mean you have to find the distance between this line and this line. So at first I take a point on the first line, that's in this line, that's name is x1, y1, and this point lie on first equation. So this point satisfied this equation, that's mean ax1 plus by1 plus c this equal to 0. This is equation number 1. Now draw a perpendicular from x1 y1 to the line x plus by plus c to this equal to 0. Already we have discussed a formula from a point to the given line is absolute value of ax1 plus by1 plus c2 divided by coefficient of x whole square, coefficient of y whole square. This is distance from x1, y1 to the second line. That's mean x plus by plus c2 this equal to 0. Distance. This is the distance. Clear? But we can calculate this line from this line. We can write ax1 plus by1 plus c1. Here is no c1, but we have taken here c1, so we have to vanish c1. So we have to take here minus c1 divided by a square root over a square plus b square. And from equation number 1, this equal to 0. So we can put here 0 plus c2 minus c1. So let value divided by a square root over b square c square. And this equal to c2 minus c1 by the square root over this. As distance always positive, so we have used here absolute value. This is a distance formula between two parallel lines. Now question how to remember in easy way the distance between two straight line. Follow these two equations, ax plus by plus c1 is equal to 0, ax plus by plus c2 is equal to 0. Therefore, difference between two constant term divided by square root over coefficient of x square plus coefficient of y square. Follow this. I think that everybody will understand clearly, and we can solve related this formula easily. Now find the distance between the parallel lines 3x minus 2y is equal to 1 and 6x minus 4y plus 9 is equal to 0. How to solve? The solution, the given line 3x minus 2y plus, this equal to minus 1 equal to 0, as here is given equal to 1, so that will be minus 1, and 6x minus 4y plus 9 is equal to 0. I have already discussed this part and this part will be same, but here is 3x minus 2y, but here is 6x minus 4y. But if we take common 2, we will get 3x minus 2y plus, as here is no common 2, so this equal to 9 by 2, this equal to 0. Like now this part and this part same. Therefore the required distance, the required distance, this equal to absolute value of the difference constant term, that's mean this and this, that's mean hello 9 divided by 2 minus 1. Formula is C2 minus C1. C2 minus C1. C1 means minus 1. Divided by square root over coefficient of x whole square plus coefficient of y whole square. This equal to, we can write absolute value of 9 by 2 plus 1 divided by square root over 9 plus 4. And this equal to, we can write 9 plus 2 by 2 after LCM, and here will be 13. That's 11 by 2 square root over 13. This equal to, we can write 11 divided by 2 square root over 13. This is a required answer. You can use here unit as distance. Here they don't mention any kinds of units, so you can write here only unit. That's means 11 divided by 2 square root over 13. This is a required answer. I think that everybody will solve related this formula. Okay, goodbye everybody. Thank you.